Hello guys, welcome back to the Genji teacher. Today I'm back again with one of the question asked by one of my student and the question is from sequence and series. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay. Now let's see what does the question say. Question says that if the product of first five terms of GP is 243 and the third term of GP is the 10th term of AP, then find the sum of first 19 term of AP. Now, first thing first, let's try to understand the first part of question. And the first part of question, mean I'm talking about the five terms. The product of five terms of GP is 243. Okay. And the third term of the GP is the 10th term of AP. In this case, there are five terms and the product is given 243. Let's try to consider the third term as A. The third term is A. Then the term after A, as they are in common ratio, it must be A multiplied by R. R is common ratio as it is in GP. Then the next term would be A multiply R square because R into R is R square. And the term previous to this would be A upon R, and the term previous to this would be A upon R square. And the product of first five, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Product of first five terms is 243 according to the question. Now, you might wonder why am I considering the third term as A? Can't we consider the first term as A? I'm not considering that because we can cancel R square and R square like this, and we can cancel the R and R like this. Always try to consider the middle term in such type of question as A, such that obviously as it is in common ratio, the next term would be A into R, the next would be A into R, that is A into R square. The previous term would be A upon R, that is the obviously dividing into common ratio, and previous term would be A upon R square. Okay, that's how a geometric sequence goes on. And always try to take the middle term because obviously the R gets cancelled in this way. If you try to take the first term as A, you cannot cancel the R. Always try to take the middle term. Now, you will end up with or A to the power 5 equals to 243. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A to the power is 243. And we also know that A to the power is equals to 243. 3 to the power 5 is also 343. From the given equation above, we can say that A equals to 3. Now we have found the third term, okay? Because here we consider, what did we consider? We consider let the third term be A. Let the third term be A. We consider the third term as A, and according to the question, the product of first five terms in geometric is 243. That's how we found out the value of A. So the third term is actually 3. The third term is 3. Now let's move on to the next part of the question, and the next part of the question says that the third term of GP is the 10th term of AP. Now, what is the 10th term in a AP? 10th term in a AP can be written as A plus 9D. D means common difference. A means first term. 10th term means 9 plus, A plus 9D. This is the 10th term. 10th term is the third term, and our third term is what? Our third term is 3. So, according to the question, we made this. Okay. From this part, the third term is the 10th term of the AP. The third term is the 10th term of AP. I'm just writing it into language. We can make this as equation 1. Now let's move on to next part. Find the sum of first 100 first 19 term in AP. Now we know the formula of 19 we know the formula of n term, that is Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 times d. This is our general formula for sum of nth term in an arithmetic progression. Now, as this is, it says 19th term of AP, so we are using the formula of AP. So, as 19th, that is 19th term is, so n will be 19 by 2, bracket close, 2a plus 19 minus 1 time d, and it would be 19 by 2, 2a plus 18d. Now we'll take 2 common from here, and As we take 2 common, it will be 19 by 2. 2 is common. A plus 9D, because 2 is taken as common. We can cancel this 2 and 2, and we would be left with 19 A plus 9D. Now, here A plus 9D, the value is equal to 3. Okay, we made this equation 1, if you remember. We made this equation as equation 1 from as it was given in the question that the third term of GP is the 10th term. The third term is the 10th term. From that, we can write A plus 9D as 3. Okay, so in the place of A plus 9D, we keep it as 3. So 19 multiplied by 3, we get our answer, that is 57. Okay. Now, let's have a quick recap. What we do? We were given that the product of first five terms in GP is 243. So I consider the third term as A. So previous term would be A by R and A by R square. Next term would be A into R and A into R square. Such that R and R got cancelled, R square got cancelled. A to the power 5 is 243, and 243 means 3 to the power 5. So we got the value of A as 3. Then next part is the third term is the 10th term. The third term, our third term we considered as A, that is 3. We got the value as 3. So the third term is the 10th term. 10th term is A plus 9D. A plus 9D, then we applied the formula of the 19th term. The sum of nth term formula and the 19th term is 19 by 2, 2A, 19 minus 1 times D. 19 minus 1 is 18. Then we take 2 as common. We cut the 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled. And then A plus 9D, we keep the value from up, that is 3. 19 multiplied 3 is 57. So that is the answer for this question. Uh, I hope uh, I hope you like my video. Please support my classes. If you have any question, pin down in the comment box. I'm gonna solve out your question. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. If you need any type of personal classes from me, tuitions, please contact to this number 98608115505 or 9823458048. Okay. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.